No doubt, your tickets are automated on HaloPSA. But resolving those issues? It's still happening manually. You extract their contact details, use a separate phone system to reach out, track updates, follow up, and finally close it, returning to your support zone. While taking more time, it also risks missing sensitive details and affects your customer experience. But with KrispCall integration in HaloPSA, your tickets become a complete support system. All the contacts, call logs, text messages, and notes sync in real time. And the best part? You can make and receive calls as well as send SMS right from your ticket window. Setting it up only takes a few minutes. Let's walk through it step by step. Log into your KrispCall account and go to Settings. Navigate to Integrations, search for HaloPSA, and click Connect. KrispCall will prompt you for your HaloPSA URL. Go to your HaloPSA account, copy the URL from your browser, and paste it into KrispCall. Click Submit to complete the integration successfully. Now, customize your integration settings as needed. In General Settings, enable or disable sync preferences. Under Workflow Settings, select the sync options you want to automate in detail. In Connected Numbers, assign one or more KrispCall numbers to use within HaloPSA for calls and SMS. Ready to use it? Start by creating contacts one at a time or importing them in bulk. It automatically syncs both ways with the ones you create on HaloPSA as well. With contacts in place, it's easy to start calling. First, install the KrispCall browser extension. Then, inside HaloPSA, open a customer ticket. Click the KrispCall icon beside their number, choose Call, and the dialer opens for you to start the calls. For incoming calls, the KrispCall dialer will appear on your screen, allowing you to accept or decline without needing to switch tabs. While you're on a call, you can create notes that sync automatically into the Notes section of the customer's ticket. Need to send an SMS instead? Click the KrispCall icon again, select SMS, type your message, and hit Send. It syncs along with the full call log in the Overview tab. Missed calls never break your support routine. Voicemails sync directly into HaloPSA, attached as audio links within the customer ticket. So your agents can listen instantly and follow up faster, with full context and no delays. With KrispCall integrated into HaloPSA, your support system finally feels complete. Handling tickets, calls, messages, and voicemails, all from one place. So why wait? Visit KrispCall.com and start using the smartest phone system for your PSA today.